Hello, my friend. Let me ask you something. What if the very thing you desire, abundance in the form of avalanches of money, was not something to chase but something to allow? What if the key to unlocking this floodgate lies in something deceptively simple yet profoundly powerful? Let's get right in. First, understand this: the world you see around you is not separate from you. The abundance you desire is not out there waiting for you to earn it, prove yourself worthy of it, or struggle endlessly to attain it. Instead, it is within you, waiting for you to align with it. This might sound mystical, but it's grounded in a principle as real as the air you breathe: your outer world reflects your inner state. If you want avalanches of money, you must first create an inner environment that welcomes it effortlessly. Take a moment to examine your beliefs about money. Do you see it as hard to come by? Do you believe you must toil, struggle, or even compromise your values to have it? These beliefs form the invisible barriers between you and the wealth you seek. To dissolve these barriers, begin by reimagining what wealth means to you. Picture money not as a difficult, elusive force but as an eager and abundant friend. See it as something that flows naturally into your life. Close your eyes and imagine how it feels to have more than enough. Feel the weightlessness, the freedom, and the joy of knowing that money supports your every need. As you hold this image, notice how your body responds, perhaps a sense of relief or a smile spreading across your face. This shift in perception is your first step in allowing wealth to flow to you. Pay close attention to the conversations you have within yourself. When unexpected bills arrive, do you internally panic or complain? When you think about your finances, do you feel worry or gratitude? These inner dialogues are not harmless musings, they are commands to your subconscious mind, which faithfully brings them to life. Start changing the script. Replace thoughts of lack with affirmations of plenty. For example, instead of saying, "I never have enough," say, "Money flows to me easily and frequently." Repeat this not as a rote mantra but with conviction, as if it is already true. The more you affirm abundance, the more your mind will begin to accept it as reality, and your circumstances will shift to match. If there is one practice that can immediately open the doors to wealth, it is gratitude. Gratitude signals to the universe that you are already aligned with abundance. This is not about pretending to be thankful while secretly feeling desperate, it is about genuinely appreciating what you already have. Look around you. Do you have a roof over your head? Food to eat? Even the smallest comforts are evidence of the abundance already present in your life. Take time each day to list what you are grateful for. Feel the warmth of gratitude in your heart. As you do, you'll notice something incredible: the more you are grateful, the more reasons you'll have to feel grateful. Money, opportunities, and unexpected blessings will begin to show up in ways you couldn't have anticipated. This may seem counterintuitive, but one of the most powerful ways to attract money is to give it freely. This doesn't mean recklessly spending what you don't have, but rather sharing from a place of faith and abundance. When you give, whether it's money, time, or resources, you activate a powerful cycle of receiving. Think about this: when you hold tightly to money out of fear, you block its flow. But when you give with an open heart, you affirm your belief in the endless supply of wealth. Start small if you need to: a kind gesture, a donation, or even helping someone in need. The act of giving shifts your energy and aligns you with the flow of abundance. Money is energy, and like all energy, it seeks clarity and direction. Do you have a clear vision for the wealth you desire? If not, take time to define it. Write down how much money you want, why you want it, and what you'll do with it. Be specific, not vague. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," say, "I am attracting $10,000 this month to pay my bills, invest in my growth, and enjoy life." When you attach a purpose to your wealth, you give it a reason to come to you. Money loves direction, and when you know exactly what you want and why you want it, you magnetize it into your life. This is a powerful principle: act as if the wealth you desire is already yours. How would you think, speak, and behave if you were already financially abundant? Would you carry yourself with confidence? Would you make decisions from a place of fear or empowerment? Begin embodying that version of yourself now. For instance, instead of saying, "I can't afford that," try saying, "That's not my priority right now." This subtle shift signals to your mind, and to the universe, that you are in control of your finances. Dress well, speak positively about money, and treat yourself and others with the generosity of someone who has more than enough. As you step into this mindset, your reality will transform to match. Faith is the bridge between the unseen and the seen. If you do not believe that avalanches of money can come to you, they won't. Faith is not passive, it is an active trust in the invisible forces working on your behalf. This is not about blind optimism but a deep knowing that your desires are already being fulfilled. Whenever doubt creeps in, remind yourself of this truth: I am the creator of my reality, and abundance is my birthright. Faith is what turns your inner vision into your outer experience. Money flows most freely to those who are aligned with joy and ease. If you are constantly stressed or anxious, you repel the very abundance you seek. Find ways to bring joy into your daily life, whether through hobbies, laughter, or spending time with loved ones. When you are in a state of joy, you radiate a magnetic energy that attracts all good things, including money. One of the most underestimated steps in attracting wealth is creating a daily practice of stillness and intention. In a world filled with distractions, your mind often becomes entangled in the noise of the outside world. This state of mental clutter pushes abundance further away because your focus is divided. To counter this, dedicate time each day to sit in stillness. Close your eyes, silence your mind, and simply breathe. This practice centers you and aligns your energy with what you truly desire. When your mind is clear, you're better able to channel your thoughts toward creating the financial reality you want. Even 5 minutes a day can have a profound effect on how you attract wealth. Next, let's talk about the power of the environment. The spaces you occupy have a direct impact on your energy and your ability to manifest money. If your home or workspace feels chaotic or cluttered, it reflects a lack of clarity and order in your inner world. Start by organizing your surroundings. Create an environment that feels abundant. Display symbols of wealth and prosperity, like a jar of coins, a vision board, or even a beautifully written affirmation placed where you can see it daily. These physical reminders keep your focus sharp and aligned with your financial goals. Another crucial step is to stop resisting opportunities. Often, people unknowingly sabotage their financial growth by dismissing opportunities that come their way. This happens when fear or doubt takes over. Perhaps a new job, business venture, or investment feels too risky or outside your comfort zone. But here's the truth: growth and wealth often require you to step into unfamiliar territory. When an opportunity presents itself, ask yourself, does this align with my vision of abundance? If the answer is yes, trust your instincts and take action. The path to wealth is rarely a straight line, but it's paved with the choices you make along the way. Creating avalanches of money is not a one-time practice but a way of being. Persist in your new mindset, even when the outer world doesn't immediately reflect your desires. The delay is not denial, it is the time it takes for your inner transformation to manifest outwardly. Stay consistent, and you will see the results. My friend, you are not separate from the abundance you seek. You are one with it. Begin now to align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the wealth you desire, and watch as the universe responds with blessings beyond your imagination.